don't get. Hello, everyone. Good evening, everyone. Today, I want to explain how to name inorganic compound according to Iupac Nomenclature. I have some example here. That is, give the Iupac names of the following compound. Yes. Now, for you to name compound like this, you just have to start. Let's start with the first one. I have CO2, which is carbon 4 oxide. Let's start with it. Look, the first one is solution. I have number one, CO2. Now, we all know that the oxidation number for carbon and oxygen is -2. The oxidation number for oxygen is -2. So, look, oxygen is -2. So, if I want to solve this, I have to make C. The easiest way to do this, I will make C the subject of the formula. So, it will be C plus O2 equals 0. That is, I will have C plus this -2 times 2 equal what? 0. So it will now be, it will be plus, okay, let me skip this part. I will have C. -2 times 2 will give us -4. -4 times plus to give us -4. That is C equal -4 equals 0. So I will make C, if we cross it, 1 to what? +4. So the name of this compound will be, I want to write it here. Let me write it here because of the space. The name of this compound will be carbon. You have 4, it will be Roman numeral 4. Remember, you have oxygen. So instead of saying carbon 4 oxygen, you just say carbon 4 oxide. Carbon 4 oxide. This is the name of this compound. The first one. Carbon 4 oxide is the name of this compound. Now, let's talk about the second one. Look at it here. The second one. Sorry, I'm coming. Now, this is the first one. Carbon 4 oxide. This is the Iupac name. Carbon 4 oxide. Carbon 4 oxide. This is the name. The name of this compound is what? Carbon 4 oxide. So I was trying to adjust the camera so that it will be clear. This is the name of this compound. Now, the next one. Also, the second one. The second one is what? Number 2 is CaO. That is, this calcium, CaO, and you have oxygen. If you are asked to name this compound, if you want to name it, the first thing you do is if you're having 2 elements, one of the easiest methods is, if you're having 2 elements like this now, you make the first element the subject of the formula. You make the first element the subject of the formula. If you have 3 elements, like maybe CO, something like this, you make the middle one the subject of the formula. Let's assume that I can have anything, maybe Cl, Mn, O, whatever. Imagine I'm just talking. You make the third one, the fourth one the subject of the formula, like this. Just like this one, and this one. You can see. So imagine I have something like this. Maybe I have anything like this. So, or I have something like maybe carbon. I will make this one the subject of the formula. So I will now look for the rest. I will now start calculate. I will calculate the rest. Are you with me? So now, imagine you have other element. Let's assume that I have calcium, hydrogen, nitrogen, maybe I have anything here, maybe calcium, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'll make this one the subject of the formula. You can see, you make this one the subject of the formula, this one the subject of the formula, this one, and this one. So this is how to calculate oxidation number and name a given compound from according to Iupac nomenclature. We all know the meaning now. Iupac, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Just because the compounds are numerous, so they develop a systematic way of naming this compound. So we name compound based on their behavior. We all know this. So let's start. I want to start with this one now, this particular one. So the oxidation number for calcium is what? Is +2. No, let me not use calcium. Okay, I'm making C the subject of the formula. The oxidation number for, let me write it. Now, the oxidation number for oxygen is -2. So I'll make Ca the subject of the formula. So it will be Ca plus O equals 0. This I have Ca plus -2 equals what? 0. Plus times minus is minus. I have -2 equals 0. So Ca will be +2. So since it's two elements, since I only have two elements, if I want to name this compound, now according to the rules, oxygen will become oxide. Oxygen will become what? Oxide, based on the first one of the rules we have here. So if I want to name this compound, it should be carbon. No, sorry, it's not carbon. It will be Ca is what? Calcium. It will be calcium. I have 2 here, 2 oxide. Calcium 2 oxide. This is the name of this compound. Calcium 2 oxide. Calcium 2 oxide. Now, calcium 2 oxide. You can see. So it will now be calcium 2 oxide. This is the name of this compound. That is the second one. The second one. So it's very clear like this. I want to continue with the third one. The third one, Na2CO3. I want to solve that one now. Na2CO3. You can see the second one. So I have to clean it. Now, look at the third one. The third one. The third one. So it will be Na2CO3. Now, let's start. I have to make carbon the subject of the formula. So that means I need to get what? The oxidation number of what? Sodium, which is Na. Sodium. Now, if you check, the oxidation number of sodium will be what? No, sodium is a metal. Are you with me? It belongs to group 1. And group 1 elements, they are the electron donor. They are metals. They conduct and group 1 elements, majorly they are reducing agents. And if you tell you, people don't think that. So now let's solve this. If I want to solve this, sodium is +1, oxygen is -2. Let's start. I will have Na2 plus plus C plus O3 equal what? 0. So if I want to solve this, it will be +1 times 2 times this 2, because sodium here is what? Is 2. That is, the atoms of sodium we have 2 here. So it will be 2 plus carbon plus open bracket. Remember, oxygen is -2 times this 3 I have here equal what? 0. So if I want to name this, let's add everything together, multiply and add. This will give us 2. I have carbon here plus -6 close bracket equals 0. So I have 2 plus C equal what? C minus what? 6 equal what? 0. So now, if I want to name this compound, it will be, before I name it, we have to finish the working first. 2 plus equals 6. So I can subtract, that is C. If 2, if you collect like terms, you are going to have 6 minus 2, which is +4. Yes, +4. So if I want to name this compound, it will be something like, I have to remove this because of space. I have to remove the topic because of space. The board is not that big. The board is not that big. So I want to remove the the topics to contain the words, the name. It will not be. Now let's start. Since I have three elements, I have Na2CO3. Now look at it. I will write the first element fully, which is sodium. Sodium will now be sodium. You can see sodium completely. Sodium. Now, remember I have three atoms. I have three atoms of oxygen. Remember, one is what? Can be unit or mono, which is two is what? Di. If I have two is what? Di. Three, according to chemistry, is what? Tri. Then four is what? Tetra. Five is penta. Six, hexa. Seven, hepta. Eight is what? Octa. Nine is not like that. Since you have three atoms of oxygen here. So I have sodium. I have three. It will be what? Sodium tri. Oxygen becomes oxo. Now I have carbon. Carbon will become what? Carbonate. If it is nitrogen you have here, it should be what? Nitrate. If you have sulfur here, it will be what? Sulfate. If you have phosphate, it will be what? Phosphate. If it is silicon, it will be what? Silicate. This is how you name it. So the name of this compound will be sodium triazo carbonate. This four I have here. Carbonate what? 4. This is the name of this compound. Sodium triazo carbonate what? 4. Let me refill this ink. So this is the name of this compound. Sodium triazo carbonate 4. This particular number 3, sodium, the name is what? Sodium triazo carbonate 4. That is the name of this compound. Now, let me quickly refill this ink. Now, let's talk about the last one, which is Al2 open brackets. Now, look at this. Since it's the last one from the list I have here, I want to use this place. Since it's the last one. Now, the fourth one, if I have Al2SO4 3, Now, you don't need to stress yourself. The same method, let's just add 0 to it. Look, I just need to multiply it turns to a molecules. So it will be, I will put plus 3 times S, it will give me 3S, which is sulfur. You know, it's sulfur. S stands for sulfur. Now, the next one, 3 times this 4, which is 12. 12 like this equals 0. Now, I have oxygen here. Oh yeah, let's start. Now, you can see it looks somehow. Yes, we can solve it. First of all, we must determine the oxidation number of aluminium. What's the oxidation number of what? Aluminium. We need to determine the oxidation number of what? Aluminium. Let's start. So this one will give us, no, it's 3. Sorry, I have 3. This one is 3. Now, we have to determine the oxidation number of what? Aluminium. Aluminium was the majorly is what? Plus 3, I mean? Yeah. Or you tell me maybe it's not correct. Now, so let's see what will happen. So for I'll make the subject of the formula. Oxygen is what? -2. So I will now have 2 times 3 plus 3s plus -2 times what? Times 12 equal what? 0. You can see I have 6 here. 3x plus -24 equals 0. I have 6, 3x minus 24 equal what? 0. Now, so I will have 6 plus 3x equals 24. I have 3x equals 24 minus 6. 3x, 24 minus 6 is what? 18. 18. So I will have, if I divide both sides, sulfur will give me what? Plus what? 6. Okay, I should start from the beginning, Abby. Now let me start again. I want to start from the beginning. Okay, I want to start from the beginning again. I should come again. Someone said I should take it again. Now let me start from the beginning for this one. Yeah, let's start. Now, if you have something like this, the first thing you do is, remember this Al2. Now, 3, you have to use this value outside here to multiply the whatever you have inside the brackets. Are you with me? You have to multiply through. That is 3 times sulfur. That is 3 times sulfur. It will give us plus, you add everything together. I have 3x. It turns to, this one has got what molecule already. Plus, now, 3 times this 4. It will give us what? It will give us what? Oh, sorry. 12 of what? Oxygen. Yes. It's correct like this. Now, I've done this. Correct. Now, Okay, look, look. Let's start with the oxidation number first. What's going to be the oxidation number for aluminium based on, if I do it like this, you discover that the oxidation number is already 3. See, this one, look, this plus 3. And remember, this one we have what? Minus 2. See, this one is what? Minus 2 on its own. You get? But I don't want to use this to avoid confusion. So, let's start. The oxidation number for aluminium is what? Plus 3. I have to make sulfur the subject of the formula, sulfur. Now, oxygen, sulfur is unknown, Abby. Then oxygen is what? Minus 2. The oxidation number for oxygen is what? Is minus 2. Is minus 2. So, let's start. I will recall Al2 plus 3S plus O12 equal what? 0. So I will have, let's say plus, let me neglect to save our time, 2 plus 3x. It's unknown. Plus oxygen. The oxidation number is what? Minus 2 times this what? 12 equal what? 0. So now let's continue what we have here. I will have 6. This is plus 3s and plus minus 24 equal 0. I have 6 plus 3x. Now this one gives us minus 24 equal what? 0. 6 plus 3x. Remember, if I take this one to this side, it turns to what? 24. Are you with me? So, what am I going to do? Collect what? Like terms. 3x. 24 minus 6. I have 3x equal what? 18. So, for life, Arsenal they play. Yes, sir. Plus. So if you divide both sides, it will give us 6. So if I want to name this compound, it should be aluminium. It will be what? Aluminium what? Aluminium. Aluminium what? Aluminium what? Aluminium triozo. Am I correct? Yeah. I'm correct now. So it will be aluminum triozo nitrate 6. So the name of this compound is aluminum triosonitrate 6 because I have 3 here. So So shall I clean it? You want me to clean it now? Maybe on the comment section. Can you drop a message so that maybe I should clean it? Or do you have anything on it? So can I clean it? I want to clean it now. Am I free? On the comment section, can you drop message so that I can clean it? Or I should continue? Now, if I have something like this, if you have something like this, -2, yes, how will you solve it? Solution. If you come across this something like this, how will you name it? How do you name it? It's like this. Now, the same process, you have SO4 -2 equal what? Minus, since you have this, you have this, you make S the subject of the formula. Oxygen, the oxidation number is -2. Let's start. So I will have SO4 equals -2. That is S plus -2. Oxidation number times 4 equals -2. So I have plus -8 equals -2. Then I have -8 -2. S will give me -2 plus 8. So if I continue from here, it will be x s equal plus 6. So what's the name of this compound? How do you name this particular compound? It will be tetra. It will be, okay, let's say it will be, yes, tetra oxo sulfate what? 6. Tetra oxo sulfate 6 is the name of this compound. If you come across something like this, CaCO3, how will you name it? CaCO3, it will be, remember the oxidation number for calcium is number 2, let's assume that this is number 1. The oxidation number for calcium is what? Calcium will be what? +2. I think I've saw something related to this. Now you may see the subject of the formula. I think I've solved this. So let me change it to maybe if you have S, maybe S. Okay, let's assume that I have P4O10. Then P4O10. Yes, P4O10. Then how do you solve this? It will be, if you have P4O10, now you have to make phosphorus the subject of the formula. You make phosphorus what? The subject of the formula. That is, you multiply this, you are going to have 4P plus O, that is oxygen, 10 atoms equal what? 0. Now, remember the oxidation number of oxygen is always what? -2. So, if I want to solve this, it will be 4P plus -2 times 10 equal what? 0. And we have 4P minus -2 times 10. -2 times 10 will give us what? -20, which is what? 0. So, and we have, I want to clean this side. I want to clean this side of the board. I believe I'm permitted to clean. So I want to recall it, 4P minus 20 equals 0. So what do? Then I have 4P equal what? 20. Since you have 4P equal to this, it has resulted into what? To linear equation. What happened? Divide both sides by 4. P will give us what? +5. If I want to name this compound, it will be phosphorus. Now, you have oxygen here. Oxygen will turn to oxide. Yes, it will turn to oxide according to Iupac Nomenclature, according to the rules. Then you have phosphorus. Since you have 5, it will be what? 5 phosphorus, 5 oxide. Yes, this name of this compound, this formula, P4O10. So I would like to end the class now because because of time, and the phone of my battery is very, very low. So if you have any question, just drop it. I will reply you. Just drop any question, I will reply you. Thanks. C2, okay. I have a question here. Hello, I will reply you on the comment section now because of, you know, I will reply you. Let me quickly do, the phone of my battery is very low. That is CA2. You have CA2, Abby. ZN2. I'll get back to you now. Please. The battery is very low. I'll get back to you. Thanks.